Hi, this is Michael Kanellos at Pi World Day 3, the Developer Day, and we're down here talking to some of the partners who are putting technology together with the Pi system. And I'm talking to Todd Rigby of Rajant. And what I know about Rajant is you make communications for the most extreme environments one could think of.
Absolutely. We specialize in mission critical communications. People come to us with their most difficult communication struggles. It could be underground mining, it could be above ground mining, it could be power plants, it could be processing facilities, it might be paper mills. We address all industrial verticals.
Well, give me an example or two of like how people are using it.
Oh, take for example a recent deployment we did with a water district in Southern California. They had a requirement where they wanted to have real-time communications with their pumps and their lifts. They wanted to be able to stream sensor data back into their control room and then be able to make adjustments. Similarly, we have other customers, for example in the oil and gas business, that monitor production out of their oil fields, and they're able to stream that data in real time back to the command center and set alerts when there's a variation, an operational variation they don't want. They can then make a real-time adjustment to the pump speed out of those downhole wells to maximize their production, minimize their downtime due to equipment failures.
And then that data streams up into the Pi system so people have that sort of real-time visibility.
Exactly.
So Todd, what's the most interesting thing about your technology? What sets you apart from other communications companies?
I would say the most interesting thing about our technology is our InstaMesh protocol. Okay. It allows each of our devices, from the biggest one down to the very smallest one, to be able to evaluate the environment, both for environmental factors and operational factors, and modify the way the network works autonomously with artificial intelligence built into every one of the devices.
So instead of a point-to-point direction, it will actually find the path of least resistance to make sure the communication gets through.
Exactly.
Plus, you're also wiring up mobile devices, things that are moving around, which makes it more suitable for mesh versus things that are actually in a fixed spot for 5 to 10 years.
Absolutely. Nobody does mobility like Rajant. Because of our fast refresh speeds, between 50 and 200 times per second, we're able to maintain connectivity even at very high rates of speed. We've got demonstration videos on YouTube showing race cars streaming live video at 135 miles an hour. We've done tests with helicopters and drones doing very high speed. You can't outrun 200 times per second refresh rate.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.